Hey guys, welcome back. I just got this like literally 15 minutes ago in the mail, and yeah, let's do this. This is a different kind of unboxing because this is a freebie I won on Aliexpress. And I know what you're thinking. Okay, there's this, and again, another YouTuber who won a freebie on Aliexpress. No. I first discovered freebies like 6 months ago. I saw videos of other YouTubers winning freebies from Aliexpress. I'm not gonna get into the whole freebie thing because it's a whole thing, and there's a ton of videos out there on YouTube by ton of people showing you exactly how it works. Okay. But you can apply for 2 freebies on Aliexpress per day. And sometimes they offer diamond paintings. They recently been offering a lot of nail stuff. So I've been applying for those. But yeah, like I said, 6 months ago, I discovered it. I've been doing it religiously every day, applying for 2 freebies. And after a couple months, I was kind of getting like, is it worth it? You know, 5 months of every day applying for 2 freebies, and I want something. Okay, so I know there are videos out there of people saying, oh, I started doing the freebies and after 2 weeks I want something. No. Didn't happen with me. 5 months, and it's an image. You're gonna see it. It's an image I would not really go for myself. So I'm kind of like, is this worth it? And you know, you win it, but you have to give like a full review of it as well on Aliexpress. So, you know, lots of pictures and, you know, you can't just get this and like give it away as a present to someone else who will enjoy it. No, because you need to do a review. So yeah, but you know, I'm kind of like, is it worth it? And after I won this, like I said, it's not an image I would pick myself. This is the box, by the way. It's been through something. And it sounds like there's a lot of loose things in here, but okay. Yeah, I'm kind of like 5 months every day spending your time applying to freebies, and you get like a diamond painting of 40 by 50. This should be of an image you wouldn't really necessarily pick yourself. I'm not sure if it's worth it. But yeah, I've been applying to nail freebies lately, even though nail freebies are really like not even worth the effort, because it's like, you know, a few nail glitters or something that are like €1 or something. Just buy it, you know. But anyway, here we go. We have, whoa, this is different. We have gold tweezers. I really hope they do this like with everyone now and not just for freebies, you know, to get better reviews. Look at that. Oh, wow. And it's the, oh yeah, it's the dangerous tweezers. But this looks stunning. I've never seen gold tweezers before. Okay, so we have a huge boat, and I've actually been using this boat today as I'm working on my 939 live Las Vegas diamond painting. We get a single placer. There's also a squishy on the pen. The pen is, by the way, white glittery, and we have I think this is my favorite. Is this a 4 placer? There's no number on there. It could also be a 5-placer, I'm not sure. Can you see with the light and all? And we have like this huge one. I guess this is a 10-placer. So that's what we get in the kit. We don't get any baggies, but we don't need them. Which you will see as soon as I show you the kit. But okay, let's get this out of the box. Okay. And we have our diamonds, and that's it. Now these colors do look like fun a lot. But let's first take a look at the canvas. So this is wrapped in plastic. And there is only one piece of tape. Before I unroll this, I will show you the image right now. Okay, so you've seen the image. Yeah, purple Eiffel Tower, definitely not something I would pick. But, you know, looking at the colors, it will be fun to do. Okay, so I have a feeling it's like this. But, yeah, we have the marking right here, AZQSD. It has 4 strips of the double-sided adhesive. And we have 45 colors. Wow. Okay, so let's just reveal what's going on underneath here. Yeah, 40 by 50. Ooh, confetti. Oh, come on, don't do that to me. Stay flat. Come back, come back, come back. Okay. It will look nice with the blossom and the pretty sky. Okay, here we go. Oh, come on. You know what? Just never mind. Okay, this really blows. Hold on, I'm just gonna put the camera on there. So hopefully that will help, because this is just annoying. Okay. Some more blossom. Last strip, come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay. Okay, so the picture is like this, but the symbols are printed like, yeah, like this. So you would be working on it from this angle to read all the symbols. It does look very, very clear to me. You know what, let's just put this back up. And we're, oh, why does this always happen? Oh, the gapping, I hate the gapping. I don't know why this happened. Is it this one? You know what, just never mind. Never mind. Okay. So let's get the pressure up at this side. Oh, I'm gonna need some big washi tape to cover these parts. Okay, and here we go. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it like this to zoom you guys in so you can see the drill field. To me it looks very clear. When I look in the viewfinder it looks very, very clear. We have some greens here. This would not be hard to work on, I think. I think we have the clovers for the 310. Yeah, that happens a lot with AZQSD and Huacan and, oh, hold on. And we're back. Okay. So, the picture does look very, very nice. But I don't know, why not on this side? You know what, I'm gonna fix it later. Let's just look at the drill. So this doesn't come in an inventory sheet at all because the drills are away. If I can find it opening. So that's nice colors going on over here. Okay. Okay, so let's do a quick inventory, shall we? Everything is here. Not really a surprise. These kits are usually so very, very complete, and like I mentioned, these bags are weighed, and never experienced a shortage with any of the drills. Now lately, there's been a lot of things going on about their drills, and okay, I do see a few tabs on their drills. Let's look at the darker one. I don't know, some people are saying like recently they've really upped their drill quality and they have not experienced any more issues. My last Huacan diamond painting was like a total nightmare, not gonna lie. It wasn't one I unboxed or anything, but it was one I had for a while. But yeah, you know, it looks pretty good, but I'm always kind of like worried that you won't know how good these are unless you actually work on them. I mean, I can show you right now this bag and it looks very good, but that doesn't mean that when you start working on it the drills won't pop or something, because that was the major issue of my last Huacan painting. Drills kept popping like crazy. It drives me totally nuts. And I used a roller on top of that painting, but still, you know, it didn't really work out. But yeah, these are good. I mean, I see some in there that have some tabs, but you know, they usually give you plenty to filter out the bad drills. And only, was it this one? I don't know, I was just looking at one that had a lot of tabs. Of course now I can find it, but anyway, enough said. Okay, Yeah, like I mentioned, this was a freebie. I have to start reviewing it, which means I actually have to do the painting pretty quickly, or at least part of it, to give a good solid review of the drills and stuff. But yeah, by the way, when you do win a freebie, you have to pay like 1 cent for shipping. So it will be, you know, it will be visible in your order sheet. So, okay, yeah, I did get this out, but I don't know why. You can measure these, but they're always true to size. Let's take a look. Yeah, this is a 40. And this should be, let's see where it is, over here? Yeah, 50. No, wait. Okay, this is my first time. It's not true to size. That's it's like 48.5. That's new. Wait, did I? Because there's, you know, it's the sticker is a lot bigger than the actual painting. Maybe I should turn it around. You know what? Maybe that's a good idea. Okay, so we're over here. Okay. This is like 38.8. That's weird. It's not 45.50. Gonna have to mention that in the review. Okay. Sorry, this has been going on way too long. Thank you so much for watching. Be safe, stay healthy, happy diamond painting, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!